Just like humans, dogs experience anxiety. Although it is unpleasant, it is a normal feeling, but if left unchecked, the anxiety can lead to behavior problems. Some common causes of dog anxiety include fear, separation, and aging. Fear-induced anxiety can be triggered by loud noises, unfamiliar people or animals, visual stimuli such as hats or umbrellas, new or strange environments, and specific situations such as the vet's office or riding in a car. While some dogs may only respond mildly to these types of stimuli, they can have a greater impact on anxious dogs. Meanwhile, the dogs suffering from separation anxiety are unable to relax when alone or separated from family members. Dissociative behavior is characteristic of separation anxiety. This anxiety often manifests itself in unwanted behaviors such as peeing or pooping at home, destroying furniture, and excessive barking. On the other hand, age-related anxiety affects older dogs and can be associated with cognitive dysfunction syndrome, CDS. Dogs with CDS begin to experience a decline in memory, learning, perception, and awareness, similar to the early stages of Alzheimer's disease in humans. What to watch out for? 1. Aggression. 2. Urinating or defecating in the house. 3. Drooling. 4. Panting. 5. Destructive behavior. 6. Depression. 7. Excessive barking. 8. Pacing. 9. Restlessness. 10. Repetitive or compulsive behaviors. Some of these symptoms can be the result of random worrying events, but if they recur can lead to more serious complications, such as aggression. There are two types of aggression, direct and indirect. Direct aggression occurs when a dog behaves aggressively toward other people or animals. Indirect aggression is just as dangerous and often occurs when someone comes between the dog and the source of the dog's aggression, such as another dog. What are the treatment options? A dog's anxiety can be treated with a variety of training strategies. One approach is counterconditioning. It aims to change the dog's response to anxiety-inducing stimuli, usually by replacing anxious or aggressive behavior with more desirable behavior, such as sitting or focusing on the owner. Another training strategy is desensitization. It is recommended that the owner gradually introduces the source of the anxiety to the dog, preferably in small amounts and with reduced intensity, rewarding the dog on the way. There are also anti-anxiety medications available for dogs to help with treatment. If your dog suffers from severe anxiety, your vet may recommend medication or natural remedies, such as products that use pheromones and aromatherapy. How to prevent your dog from getting anxious? One of the best things you can do is learn to read your dog's body language. Knowing when your dog is uncomfortable or scared can avoid negative experiences or use them as positive training opportunities. Proper socialization can prevent the development of anxiety. Introducing your dog to new people, dogs, animals, places, and experiences can help avoid overreaction along the way. Obedience training is an important tool for preventing and managing anxiety in dogs. Trained dogs are easier to socialize than untrained dogs. It lays the foundation for a healthy relationship and builds trust. Also, the obedience classes are a great place for dogs to meet other dogs in a controlled environment. Move over, regular exercise and nutrition are essential for a dog's development, physical and mental health. By making sure you attend to your dog's physical and mental needs, you can prevent behavior problems and keep your dog happy and healthy. You can also try to avoid situations that cause anxiety in your dog. For example, if you know your dog gets anxious around a large group of dogs, you should avoid dog parks. Once you know your dog's triggers, you can prepare for these situations in advance. And at the end, like humans, many dogs experience anxiety at some point in their lives. While not all dogs will have an anxiety disorder, it is important to understand the causes, symptoms, and treatment options associated with anxiety in dogs. By knowing these important factors, you as an owner can understand the best ways to help your dog in an anxious situation.